If you've ever had a business idea but had no idea where to start, ZenBusiness Velo is something you definitely need to see and try. Because the moment you go from idea to action, you suddenly have to figure out all the things like setting up your LLC, creating a website, having a business plan, and it gets overwhelming fast. And most people don't fail because of the idea, they just don't know what first step to take. And that's where ZenBusiness Velo comes in, who also happens to be the sponsor of today's video. It's a free AI business guide that helps you go from idea to actual next steps based on your situation rather than just generic advice. And what's cool is that it also works inside the ZenBusiness mobile app. So you can literally build and plan your business from your phone. It's not just answers, it's connected to real tools inside of ZenBusiness that actually help you take action as soon as you're ready. So in this video, I'll show you how it works in real time so you can better understand how to use it and spark inspiration for your next business idea. And if you are interested in trying ZenBusiness Velo for yourself, I have left my affiliate link down below at no extra cost to you. But for now, let's dive in. So what exactly is ZenBusiness Velo? As mentioned in the beginning of this video, Velo is a free AI business guide that helps you start, build, and grow a business by giving you clear next steps based on your situation. It can help you with things like answering entrepreneur questions in real time. So instead of you searching around for answers, you can just ask and get guidance immediately. But it's not just a chatbot, and that's an important distinction. It's not just giving generic advice, and it's not only for people who already have a business. It actually helps you take real action, like figuring out your business structure, filing formations, and even building out your full business blueprint. It also helps you stay on top of things like annual reports, deadlines, and compliance requirements, so you're not missing important steps later on. And if you ever need more support, it could also connect you to a real human expert when needed, with all the context already included. And the best part, it's completely free. There are no credit card, no hidden upsells, and it's built on real data from nearly 1 million businesses and over a decade of real-world business insights. So it's not just generic AI advice, it's actually grounded in real business experience. So when you first open up ZenBusiness Velo on desktop, this is what you'll see. It's the main home screen. And what's interesting is it's built around something called the ZenBusiness Blueprint for Success. So this is basically the framework that organizes the entire journey of building a business into clear stages. So instead of everything being random or overwhelming, it breaks into 5 different phases. You got dream, plan, start, run, and grow. And each one represents where you are in your business journey. So dream is I have an idea, plan is I'm figuring it out, start is I'm ready to make it official, run is when you're operating day to day, and grow is when you're focused on scaling. And what Velo does is that it actually uses this blueprint in real time to guide everything you do. So depending on where you are, it will surface the right steps, the right questions, and the right actions for that stage. So you're not trying to figure everything all out at once. When you click into Velo, it takes you into the chat experience where you can either use the prompts that are already in there or just type in full questions and it responds based on your situation. And the really important part is it builds context as you go. So it doesn't reset every time. It actually learns what you're trying to do and guides you forward step by step. And if you're ready to take action, it can even guide you through things like forming your LLC directly inside of the platform. And on the right-hand side, you also have that blueprint menu inside the chat, which lays everything out in a step-by-step path from start to finish. So it includes things like your business idea, naming, validating your idea, choosing a business structure, and everything you need to actually launch. And it also tracks what's coming next, like annual reports, licenses, and tax deadlines, so you're not missing anything important once your business is up and running. And if you ever need extra help, it can even bring in a real human expert with your full context already included, so you're not repeating yourself or starting over. Now, there's a couple of really cool features that I liked when I went through Velo myself, and one of those features that stood out is the business name generator. Because naming your business might sound simple, but it's usually one of the first places people actually get stuck. So instead of just trying random names or sitting there overthinking it, you can actually go into Velo and describe what your business is. You can include things like what your business does, who you want to serve, the tone you want the name to have, words you want to avoid, and even the state that you're planning to start in. And then it generates a full list of business name ideas for you based on that. But it doesn't stop there. It also helps you refine those ideas because you can regenerate, adjust your inputs, or tweak the direction until you find something that actually fits. And what I think is really useful is that it doesn't just give you names blindly. It can also check for things like whether similar business names already exist or whether a domain is available, and even flag potential trademark issues. So instead of coming up with a name and then later realizing you can't actually use it, it helps you avoid that problem up front. So it takes something that normally feels like guesswork and turns it into a real structure structured process where you can actually make a confident decision. Another really powerful tool inside Velo is the Business Entity Advisor tool. So if you're not sure whether you should be an LLC, an S Corp, or a C Corp, you can actually ask Velo directly and it walks you through finding the right structure based on your goals. So instead of having to figure out all the differences between entity types, taxes, and compliance on your own, it simplifies the decision process and it helps you understand what actually makes sense for your situation. And what I think is really cool is that it doesn't just stop at a recommendation. Once you go through it, it actually generates a full PDF report for you. And that report breaks down things like a recommended entity type, comparisons between different structures, how taxes work for each option, and even what specific taxes and filing requirements look like in your state. It also includes things like annual filing fees and ongoing costs, so you're not just choosing something blindly, you actually see the full picture before you make a decision. And just a quick FYI, Velo provides general guidance and education, not legal or tax advice. For binding decisions, talk to a qualified professional. So instead of guessing or relying on random advice online, it turns something that usually feels really confusing into a clear, structured decision that you can actually feel confident about. Now, what's also really useful is that ZenBusiness Velo isn't just on desktop, it's also available for free inside the ZenBusiness mobile app. So if you're someone who's always on the go, you can literally start building and planning your business right from your phone. And when you open the app, it already gives you a few prompts to get started, or you can just start by asking Velo a question directly and it will guide you from there based on what you need. You can also go through the full step-by-step blueprint just like on desktop, so you're not limited to one experience. It's the same system just in your pocket. However, to get started with the blueprint on mobile, you do need to create a free account so it can just save your progress and personalize your business plan for you. So you can basically start on your phone, continue on your desktop, and Velo keeps everything connected the whole way through. But to really get the full experience and explore everything Velo can do, it really does come down to creating a free account and trying it for yourself. Because this isn't just a one-size-fits-all tool, it's a completely personalized experience based on where you are and what you're trying to build. And whether you're on desktop or on the mobile app, it's the same idea. Velo is there to guide you step by step so you're not figuring it out all alone. Now, overall, ZenBusiness Velo takes something that usually feels really overwhelming, which is starting a business, and turns it into something step by step and actually manageable. Instead of sitting there wondering what to do next, it guides you through it in real time, whether you're just still thinking about an idea or already have an established business or trying to get something off the ground. And what makes it even better is that it's completely free and you can use it either on desktop or through the mobile app, so you can literally build and plan your business wherever you are. So if you've been sitting on an idea or just haven't known where to start, this is one of those tools that can actually help you take that first step instead of just thinking about it. Again, I'll leave everything linked down below if you want to check out ZenBusiness Velo and see how Velo can help you take the next right step. Download the app or visit zenbusiness.com/Velo and start your blueprint today. And as always, if you did love this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video from me. Thanks so much for watching and keep building your dream.